Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, what is the value of x? Then let's have it to be solution such that x does not equal to 0. Then from here, to solve it easily, let's see method 1. We have to square both sides to eliminate this square root. Then here will be 8 square. So from here, we have AB in parentheses as this square from the law of indices equals a squared times b squared. This will be x squared times root x squared equals 8 squared. Then from here we have x squared times this cancel out this, we have x equals 8 squared. This as power 1 will be x to the power of 2 plus 1 equals 8 squared. From here we have x to the power of 3 equals 8 squared will be 64. Now we have to make sure we take this one here, we have x to the power of 3 minus 64 equals 0. So we have x to the power of 3. We can have this one as 4 to the power of 3 equals 0. Now, when we have this, we call this difference of two keep. We have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So, applying it here, our a will be x, our b will be 4. So, we are going to have x minus 4 as we have it here. Then this will be x squared plus a times this will be 4x plus 4 squared equals 0. Then this will be x minus 4 times this will be x squared plus 4x plus 16 equals 0. So for this to be equal 0, it's either we have x minus 4 equals 0 or we have x squared plus 4x plus 16 equals 0. So this, we have x to be equals 4 by taking this one to this side. Now, of course, this is a quadratic, and let's define the following parameters. A equals the coefficient of x squared 1, b to be equal to the coefficient of x 4, then our c to be equal 16. So we have x to be, from the quadratic formula, general, minus b positive or negative, root of b squared minus 4 is c over 2a. So we have x, our b is 4, here will be minus 4, positive or negative, root of 4 squared, 4 times a, 1 times c, 16 over 2 times a, which is 1. Then our x will be minus 4, positive or negative, root of 4 squared is 16, 4 times 16 again will be 64 over 2. We have x minus 4, positive or negative, root of, we have here to be minus 48 over 2. We have x to be minus 4, positive or negative, root of 48 times root of minus 1 over 2. We have x minus 4, positive or negative. So we have 16 times 3. This root of minus 1 equals I over 2. We have x positive or negative. This will be 16 times root 3i over 2. So root 16 is a perfect square. We have x minus 4 positive or negative. Root 16 is 4 multiply root 3I over 2. So we have x, this divided by this will be minus 2 positive or negative. This divided by this will be 2 root 3I. So, of course, we have this to be complex. Solution. Then we have this to be real solution. Then let's verify both complex and real. Let's say to check. We are given x times root x equals 8. Then we have first x to be 4. So from here, this will be 4 times root 4. So going to give us 8. Then this will be 4. We can have 4 as 2 to the power of 2. So going to give us 8. This cancel out this. We have 4 times 2. So going to give us 8. 4 times 2 is 8 equals 8. So the left equals to the right hand sides. So when we have this, so we have the second x to be 2 minus 2 positive or negative 2 multiplied by root 3I. So substitute here, we are going to have from here root, say equals 8. And this will now be minus 2 positive or negative 2 multiplied by root 3I multiplied by minus 2 positive or negative 2 multiplied by root 3I to the power of 1 over 2. Is it going to give us 8? So from here, because of this 1 over